Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Indian Army recently conducted the successful trials of indigenously developed loitering munition drones in Ladakh. These drones are jointly developed by Solar Energy Limited and Z Motion Technology Systems Private Limited. These are man-portable loitering drones which have been successfully tested in Nubra Valley area of Ladakh. Two loitering munition drones LM-0 and LM-1 achieved a flight endurance of 60 minutes whereas the hexacopter drone clocked a duration of 30 minutes. These drones achieved a flight altitude of 4,500 meters with a 4 kg warhead. The range of these drones are 15 to 25 kilometers, which makes it ideal weapon of choice in the tactical battlefield scenario. Loitering munitions enable faster reaction times against concealed targets that emerge for short periods without placing high-value platforms close to the target area, and also allow more selective targeting as the attack can easily be aborted. India do possess tactical loitering munitions called Sky Striker, which is built by Elbit Systems of Israel. These are advanced drones with combat range of 100 km and selectable warhead capacity of 5 to 10 kg with endurance time of 2 hours. If selected by the Indian Army, these domestic-built loitering drones will complement the Sky Striker drones of the Israel for tactical strike and will pave the way for more sophisticated loitering munition development in India. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.